Hi, my name is Lisa Stack and I'm the CNY Fertility Support Coordinator. Today Donald is going to walk us through an example of an acupuncture for fertility session. Now we will show you exactly what you can expect so you can take a look and see what you're in for. And if you have any questions after this, please feel free to email Donald himself or you can post a comment and we will get back to you.
Good afternoon, everybody. I just want to take this time to give you a nice example of how acupuncture would go, maybe for your first appointment or for follow-up. For people that have had acupuncture, you understand how it goes and what's involved. But for people that have yet to have it, this will be a nice introduction as to what to expect. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to treat the client here for fertility issues, mainly stress reduction, as well as to build lining and increase blood flow to the ovaries. All that is beneficial for follicular development, lining issues, general health. So here we go. How are you feeling today?
Good.
Good. Is there anything that's troubling you?
I'm a little tense.
You're a little tense? Okay. From what I remember from the last time that we spoke, you were having some constipation issues. And that's really common with a lot of medications. So if it's okay with you, I'd like to continue treating moving bowels. Is that okay?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, wonderful. So you'll notice that we're going to do some points in the abdomen. These points are geared towards moving bowels and increasing blood flow to the ovaries and the uterus. We're also going to move to the brow and to the ears. And these points help relax clients. They also slow the brain wavelengths so that your brain's functioning a little bit calmer. And once we do that, the body tends to settle in as well. We're going to do a couple points on the wrist. Points here on the wrist help open up and dilate blood vessels. They also calm the mind, which is very good. And we're also going to do some points down on the lower leg. And these are the points that help strengthen blood, and they help strengthen the process in developing blood. Okay? Do you have any questions? No? Okay. All of the needles that we use are prepackaged and disposable. Nothing is reused. They're all very safe. We use a very high quality Japanese needle. It's very common for people to often say that they haven't even felt the needles go in, which is a nice aspect. Once we start the needle manipulation, that kind of determines how much you feel and how much you don't feel. Today we're going to take it easy on you. You're very healthy. Okay? I'm going to step around. Needle insertion and angle are very important in the process when treating with acupuncture. You can stimulate a point, or you can take energy away from a point. It truly depends on the condition. How are you feeling?
Good.
Good. And we're going to move to the head. Sometimes the points up in the brow area can be used for sinuses, sinus pressure, which also results in a lot of headaches. So oftentimes we'll treat patients and they'll find that conditions that they have other than their chief complaint ease as well, which is a wonderful thing. One of the wonderful side effects to acupuncture is stress reduction and the treatment of secondary conditions. Comfortable?
Yes.
Is there anything I can do to make you more comfortable?
No, it feels good.
Does anything hurt?
Mm-hmm.
No, you're comfortable? Okay. The last thing that we're going to do is we're going to add some heat methods, some heat treatment. We use simple heat lamps. What it does is it helps circulate blood and also keep you a little bit warmer. Okay?
Mm.
Now this whole treatment will last about 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes, depending on your comfort and your time schedule. Is there anything I can do to make you more comfortable?
No, it feels really
You're
good.
good? Okay. All I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some music, okay?
Mm-hmm.